So today I'm going to share the ultimate hostel essentials checklist. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, this is Rashika and I'm a final year medical student, and today I'm gonna be sharing things you should be buying before joining the hostel, especially if you are an MBBS. Congratulations to everyone who has got selected this year, and it will be really very excited and nervous if it's for the first time you're coming to the hostel. And this video is gonna be a chatty video, and where I'll be interactive with all of you guys. If you have any doubts, I would be very happy to know that in the comment box. I have lived in a hostel for about 6 years now, but I have joined MBBS here in Tirupati, which is far from my home, so I'm in hostel. So it's been a long journey. So today I'm going to share the ultimate hostel essentials checklist, and I'll be categorizing them into firstly clothing, toiletries and hygiene, bedding and room essentials, uh, kitchen and food, stationery and study essentials, and some other savers. And these are the categories which I'll be mentioning about in this video. You should be packing smartly, not heavily. As a girl, I do know that we are so much interested in dressing kind things, and we pack the whole wardrobe which is already present in our home. But don't do that thing, because the dress code is different for different medical colleges. In our medical college, the dress code is basically a kurti, pants. We also have uniform for the whole days of the week. We'll be wearing the kurti and pants for
once in a week.
so I suggest you to pack a set of 15 pairs of kurtis, and also t-shirts, your comfort wear, night wear, and also undergarments. For footwear, you can be taking one pair of slippers for the washroom in the hostel, and also be having one pair of slippers for the OT, and one pair of formal shoes for your practicals, and pair of sports shoes may also be helpful if you are sports person. And a raincoat or umbrella is a must, because now it's rainy season and the rain here is very unpredictable, so you should be carrying one umbrella with you every time in your bag. Toiletries and hygiene, basic kit like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, or hair oil, everything are important. And towels and napkins, especially bring 2 pair of large towels. Laundry essentials like detergent, bucket, mug, clips, and also hangers. Emergency medicine like paracetamol if you got any fever, and ORS, and also sanitary products for girls and mosquito repellent. Firstly, beddings. Mattress is a must and should if your hostel doesn't provide. 2 bed sheets, 2 pillow covers, and also a blanket. Storage, most of the hostels provide cupboards like you can see there, uh, and they are a good space for storing all our essentials, and they also provide a lock, so don't forget to bring the padlocks, which are so handy, and so that you can be um, safely locking everything inside the cupboard. And for room stuff, extension board is a must and should. It's very important to bring an extension board with multiple sockets in it. I would suggest a table lamp if you are a night owl, and everyone will be sleeping and you can't disturb everyone. Wall hooks are very important, and also buy the good one. Wall hook which I attached there. It's been there since 2 years, I guess. It's doing a great job. Don't forget to get a laundry bag because we hostlers are very lazy and we people do the laundry only once in a week. So a laundry bag is a must and should. For cleaning supplies, definitely be getting a broom and also a dustpan. And a personal tip and advice from my side would be that if you can afford a table fan or a cooler, it would be very good in summer, because you can't survive the summer here, especially in Tirupati. The temperature goes beyond 42 degrees as our hostel doesn't provide any AC. So even with the ceiling fan, we are not able to survive. Talking about the kitchen and food, you won't cook full meals, but small food hacks are essential. And electric kettle is a lifesaver for every hostler out there, because the ultimate hostel gadget. You can use it for boiling water, for preparing maggie, and also if you want to prepare some coffee. Nextly, thermo flask or water bottle, and you should be buying at least 2 or 3 water bottles, because every time you can't go and fill the water and get it. So at once you can be filling the water and you can store it for the whole day. Also, if you will be preparing food, it will be very essential. Basic cutlery like small bowl, spoons. I also have some disposable spoons which you can use and throw it. Snacks like biscuits, of course Maggie, protein bars, which are the lifesavers during exam. I have a very bad habit during my exams. I can't survive without snacks, and so many can relate with this thing, I guess. Next, for stationery and study needs, you should be getting a pair of notes. I also have my stationery organizer here, and I'll be showing you guys the essentials. And here I have basic pens, some stick pens for the notes, and these two pencils are very important for the first year students, and also in second year it in pathology. These are the highlighters, and the scissor is a must, and this stapler is also a must. And I have some fevistick and the very important sticky notes. A very good quality backpack is a must and should. You can't be holding your books or something in your hand and you can't take it. And especially I would suggest to buy a good quality file holder, because there would be some important documents, and also you'll be receiving your mark sheet and documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, ATM cards of yours. Buying a very good headphones or earpods, because most of the hostels we will be sharing our room with some other people. Next, I'm gonna be talking about the very important topic, that is an iPad or a laptop. And this is my iPad. It's iPad Air. I would suggest an iPad because it's lightweight, great battery, super handy in class and during revisions. And you can use apps like Notability or Good Notes for a neat and organized notes. You can easily highlight and annotate the PDFs of the textbooks, and also watch the lectures of Maro. And I would suggest a laptop if you are more into typing, research and presentations, better for multitasking and heavy work. Lastly, I would give a small checklist or a list of lifesavers which you should have, must and should. Umbrella or a raincoat, and also a torch or emergency light, because the electricity in our hostel is unpredictable sometimes. I would also suggest a small saving kit, hostel clothes, tear at the worst times. And also personal hygiene items like nail cutter, comb, and also a small mirror, and reusable water bottles are the must and should. Important documents like ID cards, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, and your ATM card. And that's my complete list of hostel essentials after living in one for almost 6 years. Remember, don't overpack because you can buy the basics before joining, and you can always add extra or get extra things from the stores nearby. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share to your friends, those who are moving newly into the hostels. Also let me know in the comment section that what's one hostel essential you can't live without. Thanks for watching till the end, and also all the best for your MBBS and hostel life journey.